Hello, my dear. To experience this meditation, find a quiet and comfortable place. Sit or lie down comfortably. Make sure your environment is distraction free. Wonderful. Now, gently close your eyes. There is nothing to do, nothing to fix. Just allow your body to rest. Take a slow breath. Wonderful. Now again, take a slow breath in through your nose and breathe out from your mouth. Again, in, out. With every breath out, your body becomes heavier. Your shoulders soften. Your jaw loosens. Your stomach relaxes. You are safe right now. Now bring your attention to your feet. Imagine a warm, calm, relaxing wave touching your feet. This wave is not cleaning, it is calming. The wave slowly moves up your legs. Now your knees, your thighs. Wherever the wave goes, tension melts. The wave moves to your lower back, your chest, your arms, your hands. Your hands do not need to wash right now. They are allowed to rest. The wave moves up to your neck, your face, your forehead. Your mind is becoming quieter. Now imagine you are standing in a neutral space. Not dirty, not clean, just neutral. And in front of you, imagine a soft light. This light represents reality. Now notice that somewhere in your body, there's a feeling of disgust, a feeling of dirty. Do not fight it. Just observe it. Disgust is only a feeling. Dirty is just a feeling. It is not danger. It is just a feeling. Say silently to yourself, I can feel this and still be safe. Now imagine the disgust as a dark fog. This fog has been created by the brain, not by real dirt. The fog is not powerful. It is only looks strong because it has been obeyed. You are not here to remove it. You are here to stand calmly with it. And as you breathe, the fog begins to thin. Not because you cleaned, but because you stayed. Your brain is learning something new now. Now gently imagine a trigger. something small and manageable, a surface, an object, or someone else touching something. Notice the urge to clean. Do not act. Just notice. Say inside, I notice the urge. I do not obey it. I repeat. Say to yourself, I notice the urge. I do not obey it. See yourself standing tall. Your spine is calm. Your face is totally relaxed. You're breathing slowly. The urge rises, then pauses, and slowly it falls. Your brain is learning. I can feel disgust and do nothing. I can feel dirty and do nothing. Now just imagine someone else touching your stuff, someone else from your family, or somebody outside from your family. They're touching, but not cleaning. Notice the anxiety and let it be there. Say silently, their actions are not my responsibility. See the anxiety like a wave. It rises and it passes. You did not clean. You did not correct. You did not escape. And you are still safe. Promise yourself not to clean, not to ask others for cleaning, and not to escape. Wonderful, because you and everybody around you are safe. Now bring attention to your hands again. Imagine they are covered in false dirt labels, not the real dirt, just labels placed by OCD. Now imagine a soft wind. This wind removes labels, not dirt. I repeat, this wind removes labels, not dirt. The hands stay the same. Only the false meaning disappears. Your hands are just hands. Say slowly in your mind, disgust is a feeling, not a command. I do not need relief to be okay. I choose freedom over comfort. I allow discomfort to pass on its own. I am retraining my brain. I and my family are safe without cleaning. and let these words sink deeper. Now imagine yourself in daily life, touching things normally, allowing discomfort, not rushing, just doing everything comfortably, smoothly, living a normal life where you feel strong, grounded, and in control. Not because the feeling is gone, but because you are bigger than the feeling. Your brain is learning a new habit now. Each time you do not clean, your brain becomes quieter. Each time you stay, you face the situation, you face your trigger, your freedom grows. So just see yourself living OCD-free life. Expose yourself to your triggers and one by one, face your trigger with full confidence, even if you have that urge. Just relax, stay in control, let it pass naturally without performing any compulsions, without avoiding the situation, without any reassurance. Just face the situation. Stay there. You are strong than this false OCD urge. You are developing a new habit. And you know, each time you do not clean, your brain becomes quieter. You are becoming more stronger, and your OCD is losing grip on you. So just see yourself living a healthy, normal, OCD-free life. Now notice how comfortable your family members are now. You have stopped asking for cleaning rituals. They are so happy, appreciating you, boosting your confidence. And now you are feeling confident, you are feeling powerful, you are bigger than your urge, you are bigger than OCD. I am allowing you few moments to live your life happily, confidently. Wonderful. Very nice. Congratulations. Now slowly bring awareness back to your breath. Feel the surface under your body. Feel your feet. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. And my dear, remember, you're not broken. Your brain is learning, and learning always takes patience. So be patient. You deserve OCD-free life. Keep practicing this meditation. God bless you.